Where did the Easter Bunny hide the eggs? Where could those Easter eggs be? Where did the Easter Bunny hide the eggs? Come on and hunt with me. He's got a magic basket that stays filled to the top, with eggs of different colors that never seems to stop. Where did the Easter Bunny hide the eggs? Where could those Easter eggs be?